Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing well. This is a flashback of my garden in winter and spring of 2023. Blissful rise, everyone. I am getting a jump start on my spring growing. It's still wintertime outside, but this is going to be like my greenhouse, this window right here. See, I have growing ginger, along with these other beautiful plants, house plants. This here is avocado. Here is some cucumbers and a tomato plant. Lovely. This is regrow cabbage, where I take the root of a store-bought cabbage and root it in water. I also do the same thing with lettuce and onions. "19 days later, you can see how much everything has grown indoors in this window. This aloe is starting to twist around towards the sun. Here they are 8 days later, growing beautifully. I have flowers and I have more seedlings growing as well. The avocado plant made a new branch. Outside under this insect net, I have my plants that can survive the cold, like kale, collards, broccoli, my herbs, strawberries, things like that that lived outside through the winter and that survived. I have this insect net to protect it from these butterflies laying eggs, which make worms, which eat up your plants. And you see this little butterfly is trying so hard to get in there, but no ma'am, not today. Here I have more of those regrow vegetables. These are cabbages, and this is a lettuce that actually is turning to seeds. Can you believe that? Yes, regrow vegetables making seeds, so you can therefore grow your own vegetables. Who knew? Here in Texas, it is heating up very quickly. I decided to introduce my babies to outdoors, and they are doing very well. I do have a little barrier around them to protect them somewhat from extreme wind and chill, but overall, everything is doing great. Check out this iceberg lettuce that I regrew and it made seeds. Now it is officially the middle of spring and I'm introducing my regrows into some soil. My herbs are growing beautifully and my seedlings are popping. That is it. That's all. Thanks for watching.